The Rolls-Royce Meteor was a British tank engine developed during the Second World War. Production ran from 1943 to 1964, and at times the engine is also known as the Rover Meteor, as Rover later produced some of these engines. For use in tanks, the Merlin had its supercharger, reduction gear and other equipment removed from its camshaft, which greatly simplified its construction. Likewise, it had cast rather than forged pistons, and it was derated to around about 600 brake horsepower and ran on lower octane petrol instead of the higher octane aviation fuel. Additionally, because the weight saving wasn't so important for a tank engine, some of the Merlin's more expensive light alloy components were replaced with cheaper steel components in the Meteor. Before the development of the Meteor, British tanks had generally been regarded as underpowered and unreliable, but it was the Meteor which is considered to be the engine which for the first time gave British tanks ample, reliable power. Initially the engine was used in the Cromwell, but it was also later used in the Comet and the Centurion tank, and also in the Tortoise, which was an experimental assault tank, and after the war it was used in the Conqueror. Rover took over production of the Meteor in early 1944, and by the time they ceased production in 1964, the company had built approximately 9,000 examples of the engine.
That's it? Yep. That one was, they had them in Cromwells and other British tanks.
Oh, okay, I was going to take them.
No, that's...